been so long. I gotta start uploading more, bro. I wanna like actually really start uploading more. When I have more time on my hands, I should be able to upload more. But as you guys can see, without any question, without further ado, there is a huge change, a humongous change in the freeform looks. And I have to just tell you something, man. Um, Now, I've done a lot of changes to my looks, man. As you can see, this is it's dyed. I got black, pink, and blonde in there now. I've actually even shortened my lock, not shortened my lock, but you know how they were Congo. Sorry, this video is not gonna be edited out. I'm just recording it. But all my Congos are pretty much out now. Like I've separated most of them. Some of them are just too thick, and they were two locks, and they became just one really thick and hard to separate. Like I think I still have one of those in here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Around in here somewhere. But I couldn't separate them. Majority of them, though, as you can see, they are still. Um, they're still thick, but you know they're very thin, or a lot more thin than they were before. As you can see, I'll give you a close-up look to them. They're a lot more thin than they once were before, and I have them all going to the side now. You know, they're still somewhat thick, but a lot more thin than they were before. You know, and yeah, that's how my locks are now. I'm trying to get you guys a really good look. Yeah, they're very, very different. I've had a lot of changes in my life, so my hair was a part of that change. And I don't ever look at this as like, oh, I finished freeform. I don't freeform my hair no more. This is still freeform to me. Freeform is just freedom with your hair, in my opinion. Freeform is just like doing whatever you feel you want to do with it, and allowing yourself to be you. You know what I'm saying? Like allowing your hair to be you. You know, to represent you. So there, like I always throughout this channel, guys, I've always preached to you guys that freeform doesn't have any rules. There isn't no go by step and how to start. Let me pause this. Next time, I'm just turning down. I'm watching hours of it. But there is no like, what was I saying? There is no like step-by-step process of how to get freeform locks. Like, yeah, you have to wash your hair and then just let it form, or you could use a towel rub method or something like that. You know, there's that, of course, the standard, but still, like, your hair doesn't have to be just like anyone else. You don't have to follow someone else's steps. You don't even have to follow mine. You don't have to dye your hair. You don't have to separate your locks. And just whatever you feel like represents you, rock that shit. That's what I would tell you, and that's what I've been doing on this channel. So yeah, update on me and the locks. As far as the locks go, this is how they are. They're blonde, pink, and black. And I love my hair. It goes great with my image. As y'all know, I do make music as well, so that does have a lot to do with that. I felt like when I did this to my hair, I kind of reincarnated myself a bit. I was going into a dark place in my life where I felt like I was just trapped in this niche that I just could not stand anymore. And this allowed me to escape that. And when I escaped that, I felt like I killed off my old version and rebirthed this version of me. And that's why I really love my hair now, because I feel that I am a new person with my hair. I know that sounds crazy, but that's just how I feel. Update on me, I've been a lot of ups and downs in my life. My career is doing really good, surprisingly. And I think that when I did this, it was around a time where I just had like, you know, I was in a dark place, and I just didn't really know who I was anymore. I allowed the things in my life to kind of form me into this bitter person that I regretted being. I hated being that person. So if in a way, a part of my process of escaping that person that the world formed me into, part of that was my hair. I felt like I had to let go of the hair too. You know, there was a lot of things I had to let go of spiritually, and my hair was a very strong part of my spiritual self, and I had to change that. I didn't want to cut my locks. That was never going to be in the question, but I felt like I needed a change, and I want to encourage you guys to just don't follow the rules, okay? Don't think there is, and don't think there is any rules to follow, because there isn't. Just be yourself. That's the whole reason why I made this channel. And I feel like, you know, I haven't been uploading like that because I feel like that chapter has just been closed. I want to give you guys me on this channel, and I'm going to figure out a way to do that because I am a musician, and I know a lot of you guys also listen to my music, which is great. I'm so glad that I've transferred a lot of you over to my music, and we have 11,000 followers on Instagram now, so that's fucking amazing. Thank you so much. And I do have a music channel too, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make music on my music channel, and this channel is just going to probably be me being me, so you guys get to know me more as a person. So I don't want to just do hair videos. I think that's probably why I haven't been uploading like that, and I want to show you guys that I can be entertaining, I can be funny, I can do skits, I can rap, I can do a lot of stuff. I can just help you guys with your problems, man. Like I dealt with a lot of depression, anxiety, and you know, I have a story to tell. I feel like I can't tell that story talking about hair videos. I can't. So, yeah, just expect different things on this channel. If you guys would like to still see some hair videos here and there, I can still do that for you guys. You know, you guys can hit me up anytime on Instagram. My Instagram is turnt.snacko. I'll leave it in the description below. If you want guys to follow me, I'll always will follow you back, and I will respond to whatever you text me, DM me, whatever you call it. Yeah, you can DM me on Instagram if you have any questions about your hair or anything like that. FreeForms, I'm always available to answer you guys' questions. I might not get back to you at that time, but just know that I see you and I'm going to get to you, because I probably can't respond that fast because I'm like crazy busy and I get tons of DMs. But I still find time to text you guys back. I still find time to DM all of my, I don't want to call you guys fans. It just sounds like family members. I get time to DM all of my family members, man. I still find time to do that. I don't care if I have 1 million followers. I have 11,000. I get flooded with DMs, and I still sit there and respond to everybody. So don't feel like I don't see you. I see you, okay? Anyways, yep, this is the hair. I'm gonna give you guys another good look at it, because after this, we're gonna change. We're gonna do a whole nother chapter, okay? If you guys would love to see me take off this bun I have it in, and really get a good look at them and see how long they are, then I would advise you guys to do either one or two things. You can go to my Instagram and look at my first photo, or what you guys can do is get this video to about 20 likes. I'm not going to ask for too much. 20 likes. Get this video to 20 likes, and I'll drop that video. Okay. I love you guys so much, and expect a new chapter from here. I can't wait to see you guys' reaction to this video. It's going to be so crazy. Bye-bye.